Anna stood outside the coffee shop. It was a new day, and she felt a little nervous. She wanted to try something new. Today, she wanted to order coffee at Starbucks. Her friend, Ben, was waiting inside. Ben always knew how to order coffee. Anna watched people go in and out. They looked happy with their drinks. She took a deep breath. "You can do this, Anna," she thought. She opened the door. The smell of coffee filled the air. It was warm and inviting. Many people were there. Some sat at tables, others stood in line. Anna saw Ben waving from a small table. He had a big smile. "Hi, Anna," he said. "Are you ready for your coffee adventure?" Anna smiled back. "I think so, Ben. It looks very busy." They walked to the end of a long line. "What do you want to order?" Ben asked. Anna looked at the menu board. There were many words she did not know. "I just want a large black coffee," she said. "A large black coffee, please." Ben nodded. "Okay, that's simple. But Starbucks has special names for sizes?" Anna looked confused. "Special names? Why?" Ben laughed softly. "It's a Starbucks thing. You will see." Soon it was Anna's turn. A friendly barista stood behind the counter. "Hi, how can I help you today?" the barista asked with a kind smile. Anna felt her heart beat a little faster. I'll have a large black coffee, please." The barista looked at her. "Do you mean a venti?" Anna looked at Ben. Ben shook his head a little. "No, she means a large," Ben said. The barista smiled again. "Ah, a venti is our large size, 20 ounces. Anna felt a little embarrassed. "Oh, I see. So venti means large." Ben quickly added, "Yes, a venti is their biggest one." Anna tried to remember. Venti for large. It was not easy. "Okay then," Anna said to the barista. "I'll have a venti black coffee, please." "Great choice," the barista said. Anna felt a little proud. She had said it correctly. Ben smiled. "See, it's not so hard once you know." They moved to the side to wait for her coffee. "So, what are the other sizes?" Anna asked Ben. "Well," Ben began, "at a regular coffee shop, you say small, medium, large. Simple, right?" Anna nodded. "Yes, that is simple." Ben continued, "But at Starbucks, small is tall." Anna's eyes widened. "Tall is small? That's very confusing. Tall means big usually." Ben agreed. "Yes, it is confusing." Then medium is grande. Anna thought for a moment. Grande? That sounds like Spanish. Doesn't grande mean big in Spanish? Ben clapped his hands. Exactly. You know your Spanish. And also in Italian and Portuguese. So, a medium coffee is called big. It's funny, right? Anna laughed. It is very funny. So tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large. Venti means 20, like 20 ounces. Ben smiled. You got it. So tall, grande, venti. These are the Starbucks sizes. Anna repeated them. Tall, grande, venti. Okay, I think I can remember that now. Good. Now, let's talk about the names of the drinks, Ben said. Many coffee names are Italian. Do you know why? Anna thought. Because coffee comes from Italy. Ben nodded. Yes, the type of coffee we drink, like espresso, came from Italy. That big machine the barista uses, that's an espresso machine. And the strong coffee it makes is called espresso. Anna nodded. Yes, that is simple. Ben continued. But at Starbucks, small is tall. Anna's eyes widened. Tall is small? That's very confusing. Tall means big, usually. Ben agreed. Yes, it is confusing. Then medium is grande. Anna thought for a moment. Grande? That sounds like Spanish. Doesn't grande mean big in Spanish? Ben clapped his hands. Exactly! You know your Spanish. And also in Italian and Portuguese. So a medium coffee is called big. It's funny, right? Espresso is very strong, Ben explained. It comes in a small cup, a shot glass. One small cup is one shot of espresso. Most drinks have espresso inside. Anna watched the barista making drinks. She saw the dark, rich coffee pouring into small cups. So, what are the popular drinks with espresso? She asked. The first one is a latte, Ben said. It's very popular. A latte is espresso, hot milk, we call it steamed milk, and a little foam on top. Foam? Asked Anna. Yes, Ben said. Foam is very light milk with air in it, like a cloud. So espresso, steamed milk, and a little foam on top is a latte. Then there's a cappuccino, Ben continued. A cappuccino is similar to a latte. It has espresso, steamed milk, but more foam. It has a lot of foam, that thick, tasty milk. So, latte, a little foam. Cappuccino, a lot of foam. Anna imagined the differences. She loved milk, so a cappuccino sounded good. Next, a mocha, Ben said. A mocha is like a hot chocolate, but it has coffee. It has chocolate sauce, espresso, milk, and sometimes whipped cream on top. Anna's eyes lit up. Chocolate and coffee? That sounds delicious. Ben agreed. It is. The difference between a hot chocolate and a mocha is the espresso. A mocha has coffee. Then, an Americano, Ben said. An Americano is just espresso and hot water. It tastes like black coffee, but it's made differently. Anna paused. So, it's black coffee, but not black coffee. Ben smiled. Exactly. Black coffee is made with a drip coffee machine. It's a different process. So, an Americano is espresso and water. Drip coffee is just coffee from a different machine. Both are black, but they are made in different ways. Anna felt her head spinning a little with all the new words. "It's a lot to remember," she said. Ben put a hand on her shoulder. "You're doing great. It just takes practice. What if you don't want caffeine?" Anna looked at him. "Oh, can I get coffee without caffeine?" "Yes," Ben said. "You can say decaf. That means decaffeinated, no caffeine. Or, if you want half, you can say half-caf, half caffeine." Anna repeated, "Decaf, half-caf. Good to know." Then Ben asked, "What about milk? Do you always want regular milk?"
I like regular milk," Anna said. "But can I choose different kinds?" Ben nodded. "Yes, you can ask for non-fat milk, almond milk, or oat milk. If you don't say anything, they use regular milk." Anna thought about a new, more complicated order. "So I could say, I'll have a Grande decaf almond milk latte." Ben's eyes sparkled. "Perfect! You are learning fast. That's a complicated order, but you said it perfectly. You know the size, no caffeine, special milk, and the drink type." Anna felt a wave of confidence. She had understood everything. The barista called her name. "Venti black coffee for Anna." Anna walked to the counter and took her cup. It was warm in her hands. She took a sip. It was good. "This is really helpful, Ben," Anna said. "Thank you for teaching me." Ben smiled. "Any time, Anna. Learning new things is fun. Now you know how to order coffee like a pro." Anna looked at her coffee. It was just a black coffee, but today it felt like a big achievement. She thought about trying a mocha next time. Or maybe a half-caf oat milk cappuccino. The possibilities were exciting. She was ready for her next coffee adventure.